Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have 10 minutes of arm and ab work using just a light set of dumbbells. So go ahead and grab them and we'll get started with some bicep curls. So you're going to find that curl as you lift the right knee, lowering it 90 degrees in between, alternating those knee lifts. So you're working the biceps and the core. Let's go. Rest. All right, you guys, those arms are going to come at the shoulders, feet go wide. You're going to shoulder press up. You lower the elbows down, take a twist as you lift the knee up and switch. Shoulder press, lift and twist. So you're activating those obliques and working those shoulders. Let's go. All right, set one of those weights down, take one weight in your right hand, feet are wide, toes are turned out. You're gonna lunge into your left knee, lift that elbow up, and then take a twist as you punch across the body. So again, you lunge, you pull and lift at 90 degrees, and then reach across. Here we go. All right, nice work, you guys. Just heading into side two. Switch the weight to your left hand, lunge into the right knee, squeeze at the top, find that rotation, twist and punch and center. So it's drop, we pull and twist back center. Take it at your own tempo, but let's get to it. All right, set those weights down and meet me down in your plank with your feet much wider than your hips. You're gonna pike your hips up, reach your right arm across towards your left toe, lower back into your plank, and then the left arm reaches towards the right toe, lower it back down. Really working the core, let's get to it. All right, flip your body on over and grab those weights. We're heading into some dead bugs with our weights in our hands. Legs are going to go to 90 degrees. Arms reach over the shoulders. Reach one leg with the opposite arm long. Come back through center and then switch it out. Keeping your back pressing into your mat, core engaged. Let's work. All right, keep those weights in your hands. Dig your heels into the ground. We are doing weighted sit-ups. So reach the arms overhead and then carefully as you roll up through the spine, find a seated position. Little curl at the top, extend, and then roll through each and every vertebrae. As you reach the bottom, reach those arms overhead, all while maintaining your core. Nice and slow, just breathe through it. And rest. Good work, you guys. Come on up, and we are going to take those weights underneath our palms and find a little tricep dip. Press back up, lift your right knee, lower down, tricep dip, press, lift the left knee. So we're alternating those knees, and you really want to focus on a bend in the elbows here rather than just tapping your glutes down to the mat. And rest. Flip on over into a plank, you guys. You can take those hands slightly wider than your shoulders. What we're going to do is take a tiny little push-up down. We press back up, and then you're going to shift your hips back, bending the knees, and then lunging back forward into that plank, really working the chest and the core. And rest. We got one final push for class today. Grab your weights and flip onto your back side. You are going to take your legs back into that tabletop position, and then your weights are going to push together over the shoulders. You're going to be tapping your toes down towards the mat and then finding a tricep skull crusher at the same time. So you're lowering those arms and legs at the same time and then lifting to meet them back at the top. Final push, give it all you got.
Baby, you
All right, take your final rest and give yourself a big round of applause, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, please let me know in those comments. I love to hear from you, and we'll see you back next time.